Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, electric vehicle insurance rates are going up. Yup, that's right. If you own an EV, you might be surprised to find that your insurance fees are higher compared to traditional gas vehicles. But why is this the case? We're going to explore 3 reasons why this phenomenon is likely. But before we dive into this feature video, please hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Now, our first observation is that EVs often come with higher repair costs due to their advanced technology and specialized parts. When accidents occur, repairing these vehicles can be more expensive, driving up insurance premiums. Check this out.
Pop it open.
It's a habit more Canadians are becoming familiar with. But while EV owners might see cost savings on fueling and maintaining their vehicles, they could take a financial hit on insuring them. A new report from credit rating service Morningstar DBRS says it's mostly due to costs of repairing or replacing batteries.
The batteries on the undercarriage, if it gets damaged, even for a minor collision, it may have to be replaced, and the cost is significant. And at times, the battery could cost as more as the vehicle.
Canada has seen a small uptick in the number of EVs on roads. 3% of all registered vehicles in 2022 were electric, according to Stats Canada. This comes as the federal government put in a mandate to have electric vehicles account for all new car sales by 2035. Insurers note there is little Canadian data on costs associated with EV repairs following accidents and whether batteries can be repaired or if the car has to be written off.
Not all of them yet, and yes, there is some truth to the fact that this is a new technology and some of the components that would be required to repair a battery don't exist yet. But having said that, some of the older technology batteries that exist right now, there is the ability to repair them.
BC Institute of Technology's School of Transportation has started training for EV battery servicing. Insurance agencies say when more knowledge and widespread training of this newer tech becomes available and accessible, it expects premiums to stabilize.
With more repairability options and better training and advancements in technology, some of those costs could be coming down in the future, and that would be reflected in the overall premiums.
The report noted in jurisdictions with higher EV uptake like the United Kingdom, some insurers have denied coverage because of higher costs. But it said the silver lining in Canada is the provincial oversight of auto insurance, which would prevent a sharp increase in rates. Kyle Benning, Global News.
Now, he did mention this, which is my second observation, is that there is the issue of limited availability of repair shops equipped to handle EVs and obtain specialized parts. And this scarcity can lead to longer repair times and insured costs for insurance companies, ultimately being passed down to EV owners in the form of higher premiums. Last but not least, there's a perception of EVs as luxury vehicles. And while this may not always be the case, many insurance companies view EV owners as higher risk individuals, resulting in inflated insurance rates. So what can EV owners do to ensure they get the best insurance rates possible? Firstly, it's crucial for potential EV owners to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurance providers. Additionally, bundling your insurance with other policies to potentially qualify for discounts. And lastly, maintaining a clean driving record and investing in safety features for your EV can help demonstrate to the insurers that you're a responsible driver. So while insurance rates may currently be higher, there are steps that EV owners can take to mitigate these costs. As the market continues to evolve and more EVs hit the road, it's essential for both consumers and insurers to adapt to ensure fair and competitive insurance coverage. That's all for today's discussion. What else can you add? As usual, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for joining. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.